Madam President, I'm taking the floor to respond to some baseless and misleading remarks made by an Afghan whose very credentials as a parliamentary delegation are dubious, as currently there is no parliament in that country. Pakistan has been a victim of cross-border terrorism, including from Fitna-e-Khawarij in Afghanistan. More than 90,000 Pakistanis have been martyred, including women, children, and prayer sites. Unprovoked actions aimed at destabilizing the Pak-Afghan border belies the overall spirit of peaceful neighborhood and cooperative relations between the two brotherly countries. Pakistan, exercising its right of self-defense, not only effectively repulsed the recent assaults all along the border, but also inflicted heavy losses on Taliban forces and affiliated Khwarijis. In our targeted and precise response, all possible measures were taken to prevent any collateral damage and protect civilians. Pakistan greatly values dialogue and diplomacy and a mutually beneficial relationship with Afghanistan. Pakistan urges the Afghan Taliban authorities to honor their commitment on the international community and address Pakistan's legitimate security concerns by taking verifiable action against terrorist entities, including the TTP and BLA. Madam President, for 4 decades, Pakistan has hosted over 4 million Afghan refugees, consistently demonstrating generosity and compassion in managing one of the world's largest and most protracted refugee situations. Throughout this period, Pakistan ensured the access to education, healthcare, and livelihood opportunities. We continue to facilitate legal avenues for Afghans seeking to enter Pakistan after obtaining visas for education, business and trade, medical treatment, and family visits. I thank you. President, I'm taking the floor to respond to some baseless and misleading remarks made by an Afghan whose very credentials